Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. J, and today I'm going to show you how to simplify this expression 2 divided by 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. First, we say solution. We simplify this by saying 2 divided by 2, which gives them 1, and 2 divided by 2, which is 1, then the division sign, the 1 divided by 1, which gives 1, which is not true. What we do here, we simplify from left to right. We first consider the first 2, which is 2 divided by 2, which gives us 1. Then we bring the division sign, which is divide by 2. 1 divided by 2 will give us half, 1 over 2. Then we bring the division sign, divide by, we bring down these 2. Now these 2, any number you see is in fraction. 2 whole number is the same thing as 2 over 1. So the fraction here, when we change 2 to fraction, we are having 2 over 1. To remove this division sign, we have to change it to multiplication. So this we change to 1 over 2 times, as we put times, the next fraction will be inverted, or we take the reciprocal of the next fraction. So 2 over 1 we change to 1 over 2. And when we do that, when we multiply across, we have 1 times 1 gives us 1, and 2 times 2 is equals to 4. So the final answer is 1 over 4. If this helped, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.